All right, so we want to find the sum of this sequence. So the first term is 7, and then the second term is 3, the third term is -1, and we go all the way up to -101 here. Okay, so we know that there is a formula to find the sum of an arithmetic sequence, right? It's going to be S sub n, right? The sum of the first n terms is n over 2 times a1 plus an, right? Essentially the first term and the last term of our sequence. Okay, but here you notice we actually don't know, right, how many terms there are in this sequence. So that's what we're going to have to figure out first. Okay, to do so, we're going to use this formula: a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Right? Remember, this is the last term in our sequence, so that's going to be a sub n, right? And by doing that, right, by substituting in the value of the first term, by substituting in the value of d, right, we're going to solve for n here. Okay, so -101 is equal to 7 plus the common difference here. Now you notice that the common difference here is -4, right, times n minus 1. And we should be able to solve this for n, right? And remember, that's going to tell us which term in the sequence -101 is. Okay, so if you subtract the 7 to both sides here, we get -108. Okay, I'm sort of going to just take this off the parentheses and then distribute through the -4. So we get -4n plus 4 here. Okay. We'll subtract the 4 to both sides, so -112 equals -4n. And now when we divide both sides by 4, what do you notice here, right? N is going to equal positive 28. Right? So what does that mean? It means that there are 28 terms in this sequence, and -101 is that 28th term, right? So then the sum of these 28 terms is going to be 28 over 2 times 7 plus -101. Okay? And when we do this math here, right, we should be able to get the sum, right? So we're going to do 14 times -94, right, and multiply these together, and that's going to give us our sum. Okay, so we get -1,316.